Tofu is a staple in Myanmar, used in salads, curries, and fried until crispy with a soft middle. It's vegetarian, gluten-free, and made from chickpeas. To make tofu, we need 150 grams of chickpea flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and water. Chickpea flour is also known as garbanzo bean or gram flour. Add the turmeric and salt to the chickpea flour and mix together. Take 300 ml of water and add little by little while mixing vigorously. Pour it through a sieve into a second bowl and using the back of a spoon, push any lumps through the sieve. It's important the texture is nice and smooth. Taste and smell the raw tofu at this stage, so that as it cooks, you can taste often to see it changes to become sweet and nutty. Boil 450 ml of water and add the tofu into the boiling water. Reduce the temperature to a low heat and stir vigorously as it cooks and thickens. It should taste sweet and nutty by now. After around 10 minutes, it will be thick and cooked and can be transferred to a dish to cool. Once cool enough, you can place in the fridge, and after 2 hours it's set and ready to use.